What's up, guys? Brad here for Leighton Sports Cards, ripping 2 boxes of Tristar Hidden Treasure Series 7 autographed baseballs for Kenneth L. Good luck, buddy. See what you got here. If I can get it open. I will try. Find the seal. All right, numero uno. This is Juan Marichal, Dominican Dandy,
I like that nickname.
Hall of Fame 1983.
Dominican Dandy.
There's that autograph.
I like our space-time continuum tear on the television.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. There's that autograph. That'll do it for box one. Let's see what you got after this. Hope you like Dominicans, because if you do, you'll like that one.
Not as good as the first, but better than the last. Sure, Ryan. Go right ahead, buddy. We got all night. Alex is going to be ripping starting at around 4 a.m.
This is Ryan Zimmerman.
Nice. Current player.
2009 All-Star and 2-time Silver Slugger, 2009 Gold Glove Award, 2009 Fielding Bible Award, 2012 Lou Gehrig Memorial Award. There's that autograph.
Fielding Bible Award?
Yeah. Third baseman. Ryan Zimmerman. There you go, Kenneth L. We will get these right out to you, buddy. Congrats.